How to fix Instagram swipe up problem on Android or iOS phone. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix this problem easy and quick. First go to settings, scroll down until you find here apps, then click apps again, and once you're here type Instagram, then click on it. This one is for Android phones. Click for stop and go to storage clear cache. And if you have an iPhone, just go to first go to App Store and make sure your Instagram is updated. Then restart your phone and try again, and if that doesn't fix it, now it means that you need to go to settings, then general, then click iPhone storage, and then select Instagram and click offload. And I hope that can fix your problem. Please don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.